Well, want to know one of the or some of the best extensions or add-ons for SHEIN? Well, while SHEIN doesn't offer dedicated browser extensions or add-ons in the traditional sense, they do have features that enhance the shopping experience. Specifically, what you can do is you can head into your browser and search in for Chrome Web Store. You want to open up Chrome Web Store. Once you open it up, what you want to do is you can search in for SHEIN Coupon Finder. Now, this is one of the best extensions you can get for SHEIN on Web Store. So you can see SHEIN, you'll get various extensions here, but one of these SHEIN Coupon Finder is one of the best. So you can see 4.6 rated here. You can check this one. You can add it to Chrome. This applies the best available coupons at checkout, saving you time and money. Additionally, SHEIN's website and app feature detailed product information, user reviews, and styling ideas for the hair extensions, helping you make informed decisions. Hope this video helped you to like and subscribe as well.